Okay.
Okay, Mary, you know that today we are at recreation place of WBL Paciran Lemonjen. Now TSC Ngimbo has program to speaking test for the student. So you must can be able to answer, 10 questions. Then the first question, what is your full name?
My full name is Mary Rahmawati.
Good. What is your nickname?
My nickname is Mary.
Okay, thank you. How old are you, Mary?
I am 15 years old.
Okay. Where do you go to school?
I go to school at MTS Islamia Ujung Bangka.
Good. What class are you?
I am in the third class of MTS.
Okay, what is your hobby?
My hobby is singing.
And do you like English?
Yes, of course. I like English very much.
How many times do you study English every week?
I study English 5 times in a week.
Then where are you now, Mary?
Now, I am in WBL Paciran Lemonjen.
Okay, the last question from me. How do you go to WBL?
I go to in WBL by car.
Okay, thank you, Mary. See you next tomorrow.